Introduction of working principle of horizontal spiral looper of welded pipe unit. The horizontal spiral looper of welded pipe unit is divided into 3 steps: filling, storage, and discharge. When carrying material through the inlet passage, the horizontal state is gradually twisted into a vertical state and is filled into the storage tray. The material is punched into the inner ring and the outer ring of the storage tray to form a steel ring. The discharging mechanism is similar to that when the strip is drawn out from the inner ring through the outlet chute, from the vertical state gradually reversed to a horizontal state. The bed material in the horizontal spiral looper needs to be sent out to the unit by the discharge pinch roller. When feeding, the discharging speed should be the same as the welded pipe speed. In order to achieve the speed synchronization with the unit, some of the horizontal spiral looper to adopt the working system of changing the circle. The charging is active and the strip is fed into the looper by the feeding pinch roll. Discharging into passive, strip steel discharging speed by the speed of the molding machine is absolutely fixed. In this way, the discharge and charging of the loop are relatively independent. Ensure the normal and continuous production of the unit. Welding speed is one of the main parameters of the welding process. It is related to heating speed, weld deformation speed, and mutual crystallization speed. The welding quality increases with the speed.